always, kiss your dogs goodnight. I apologize for the audio. I was sucking and chewing on a Jolly Rancher while making this video. Not exactly the best thing to do while you're trying to remain quiet. Shit, I woke him up. LOL. Ha 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 ha. Hey baby. Hi baby. Isn't him so cute? Aww. Yes you are. Hello sweetie. Are you hinting at something? Do you want to play ball or something? You look like a cannon. Yeah. You look funny. Yeah. Hi, Baba. I'll get you too. Oh, you dissed me, buddy. You dissed me. Gotcha. Ha 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 ha. Hi. Oh no, the dreaded. His bark is definitely annoying and unique. Sometimes he comes walking up the steps and he comes in the door. He's got 3 balls in his mouth. He's got the thickest lips I've ever seen on a dog. It went that way, buddy. He went. He's not the best at seeing anymore. He's getting old.